Alright, I'm going to go over how to change the color schemes for the site template. One thing to note, it's going to be the same whether you're working with the light version or the dark version of the skin. Exactly the same. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to open up my files, and the only file we're editing right now is going to be the styleadjustments.css file. And you should note that all the sections are commented for you, so it should be really easy to tell where you're editing and what you're editing and all that good stuff. So let's just go ahead and start with the background pattern since it's at the top. By default, we have that default, background pattern, and I've left in the comment above all 6 of the demo patterns, so you can just swap them right in. Let's go ahead and swap one in. We'll do background pattern 2. Alright, and then we'll save that and refresh. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it on the screencast. Might be a little low quality, but it has changed and it's a diagonal pattern, the background pattern 2. So that's all you need to do for the pattern. It's really simple. Got them right there. So let's move on to the main highlight color first, which is blue. And yeah, so the easiest way that I always get my colors from is just going to the live preview. I have that open in another tab, so I'm going to go to it, and I usually just grab a color from the color picker. Excuse me. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pick a color, which let's just pick a kind of a red color. And then it gives you this 6-digit code right here on the bottom that you can copy out. That way, if you have any trouble, if you don't have Photoshop or don't really know anything about 6-digit color codes for CSS, you can just grab them from there. We'll paste them in right here. Save our file. We can go back to our local files that we have right here, refresh it, and we've got our red headlines now. Really cool, really nice, simple. Alright, I'm also going to demo the orange background and orange text for you guys as well, since that was a little quick for the highlight color. So let's go ahead and make the secondary text a little bit kind of light. We'll copy that out and we'll paste that into the orange text. And then our secondary background, let's go ahead and make that like a bluish purple. Copy that out, paste it into the background. Then we can save this file. We can close out our live preview, we don't need that anymore. And then let's refresh our local files and we've got it. So it's really simple to replicate how you change the live preview colors. As I said, it's all done in the styleadjustments.css file. If you want to revert back, I've left in the default colors in a comment, so you can just paste them back in if you want to go back. And that's all you need to know. I'm going to touch on this the last box in another little screencast. For now, this is just changing the colors.